In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Grab app on Android smartphone. So if you're experiencing any challenge or a problem with your Grab app, maybe it is not opening or it is not responding, then let me show you how you can troubleshoot this app. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. So the first thing you need to do is to go and access the app information. And there are two ways you can do this. First, you can go to settings. And then from here, look for the function called apps, and here it is. And then tap on manage apps. And this will open all the apps you have on your smartphone. Now scroll down until you see your app. And as you can see, mine is here. Tap on it to open. And when you tap on it, you can see we have the app information page is here. Alternatively, the shortcut method is to long press on your app, and then you'll see the app info page here. If you tap on it, it will still take you to the same page. Now from this, we want to clear data for this app. And if we go to storage, you can see we have a lot of cached files that are on our app. Now, when you talk of cache file, we are simply talking of the files that this app stores when you are using it to enhance the performance. However, the accumulation of these files normally might result to malfunctioning of the app. So the best way to solve the problem is to go ahead and clear cache data. To do so, just tap on clear data, which is here. And then you'll see we have an option called clear cache. Tap on it and then confirm by tapping on OK. And immediately you can see our cache data has been cleared to 0. So once you have done that, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then open it, and it should now start working fine. But should that not work fine, you might want now to go ahead and look for any update if it is available through the Google Play Store. To do that, tap on Play Store and then search for your app. And here it is. Tap on it to open and look for any update. If it is available, it will be here. So one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because we are using the outdated version of your app. And to solve the problem, you might just want to go ahead and update the app. Once you update the app, go ahead and open it, and it should start now working fine. But if that didn't solve the problem, then you might want to go ahead and install the app and then install it afresh and log in afresh with your credentials. And at this point, now your app should be fine. But in case you didn't find the solution, then the problem might be emanating from the app provider. So you might want to go ahead and contact Grab and find out if they are experiencing any problem on their app. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.